Hi gang, Louis here. I'm at Castle Combe for their spring action day. I'm really excited to be here, really excited. There's a drift session about to go out, but the main reason why I'm here is I asked Castle Combe for what is called a shot list, and they flat out said they'd never heard of one. Now a shot list is something that organisers will give to media to make sure they get all the shots they need. So Castle Combe don't do one, so I created my own. And I want to try and tell a story of the spring action day while I'm here at Combe. On screen you can see the shot list. Those are we're going to check through, go through everything and tick off things. I'm going to pretend that I'm going to be a professional photographer, media for the day. I'm going to have a go. It's going to be super difficult to get loads of shots because there's just people around me everywhere. I'm not even sure how to go about that, but I've got a checklist to tick off. I'm headed, the first item on the agenda is to head to the paddock area and try and get some shots and start the day. So let's have a go. You would not believe how busy this spring action day is. Having to weave through people like it's Monaco. Now, of course, such is the British weather, it's decided to open up on me and it completely drenched the track. I think I did a pretty good job of capturing the moment, the starting of the event, as best I could anyway. But I want to try and now capture shots of the cars as they just come off the track. We've also got cars about to leave the track, to go onto the track. I want to just capture that moment, capture that story. They just closed the circuit for like 10 minutes and I had to wait just too long to try and create that shot. It's eaten into loads of my time. I'm now going to go and get some shots of the cars that have come in and see if I can get some grime and some dirt. So I did a really bad job of trying to capture the cars. The track is just so vast and it's so hard to capture every moment. That's one of the biggest things I'm finding. Also, one of my difficulties is that I've got no viewfinder on this camera. It's so incredibly bright here that I just can't see what I'm shooting. But my next target, my next goal is to try and capture some on-track action at Combe. Something I hadn't actually done yet, and I've been here since 2 o'clock today, so since 10 this morning, so I need to try and capture some good shots of the cars. There's some good racing here. I'm going to try and get some fast sweeping shots and see what I can do with this camera. I've kind of come to my favourite filming location. It's really windy up here though, but it is nice and out of the way of everybody. It turns out it's actually really difficult to do this. I don't have the equipment. I'm not complaining too much, but I literally, I don't have a viewfinder, which means the sun glaring on the screen, it makes it really difficult to see what you're actually shooting. And then I don't have the range as well to be able to capture these cars like you should be able to. But it's also really hard to be everywhere on track at the right moments, and that's something I've really learned today, is that knowing where to be at the right moment is just as important as all the camera gear and everything that goes along with it. So, and also the weather. It started raining again. Unbelievable. I think I've lapped this circuit about 4 times now. And I've tried to capture something different on every corner. The checklist goes on. I've still got a few things I want to try and capture, but the day's starting to wind down now. I think to close out the day, I want to try and capture the paddock and what goes into packing away, try and get some footage, behind the scenes sort of footage of race teams packing away their gear and what goes on to actually transport these vehicles and get them home safely. That is going to round out today's action at Castle Combe for the spring action day. I'm so impressed. I've had a great time. The main aim for the video was to see if I could professionally shoot this day, and I'll only know that when I come to edit the video, and you probably already know now how I got on. But that'll about do it for the spring action day. I'll catch you on track soon, guys.